Amid continuous spike in the daily tally of COVID-19 cases, the center on Wednesday issued a circular advising states and union territories to impose restrictions as festival season approaches, under Section 22 of the Disaster Management Act. A host of festivals starting with Holi is scheduled to be celebrated in the coming months. India recorded 47,262 new COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, taking the nationwide tally to 1,17,34,058, according to the Health Ministry's dashboard. Here are the states which are stepping up restrictions to ensure the festive season does not push the COVID-19 tally up any further. Maharashtra. The civic authorities of Mumbai, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation (BMC), on Tuesday banned public and private celebrations of Holi and Rang Panchami in the city, asking Mumbaikars to celebrate once the virus has been chased. All private/public celebration of Holika Dahan and Rang Panchami has been prohibited to ensure COVID-19 doesn't play a spoil sport. We request Mumbaikars to cooperate. Strict action will be taken against offenders, BMC said in a tweet on Tuesday. Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh government has ordered testing people arriving for Holi celebrations from states witnessing a surge in COVID-19 cases. Tests will be conducted at railway stations, airports, bus depots. Public programs in the state are subject to prior approval. District Magistrate of Lucknow told news agency that Holi festivities like rain dance parties and other open dance programs have been banned in the capital. Permissions given to such programs earlier have been withdrawn. The state government has also asked senior citizens above 60 years of age, children below 10, and individuals with comorbidities to refrain from participating in public celebrations. Madhya Pradesh. The state of Madhya Pradesh has been witnessing an upsurge in daily cases of COVID-19. Lockdowns have been imposed in the cities of Indore, Bhopal, and Jabalpur. Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has appealed to citizens to follow proper COVID-19 preventive measures. Delhi. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority (DDMA) announced on Tuesday that there will be no public celebration of Holi, Shab-e Barat, Navratri at Allen parks, religious places, public grounds, markets within the National Capital Territory of Delhi. All authorities concerned will ensure that public celebrations and gatherings, congregations during upcoming festivals like Holi, Shab-e Barat, Navratri etc. shall not be allowed in public places/public grounds/public parks/markets/religious places etc. in NCT of Delhi, Chief Secretary Dev said in an order. Haryana. The Haryana government banned all Holi celebrations in the state due to the rising number of COVID-19 cases in the country, Minister Anil Vij tweeted on Wednesday. Gujarat. The Gujarat government has banned all public celebrations and mass gatherings on Holi, asking people to celebrate it traditionally with limited rituals instead. Chandigarh. The Chandigarh administration has ordered the cancellation of all Holi-related festivities and banned all clubs and restaurants from organizing any celebrations. The administration announced via an official statement.